Hi friends, how are you? So in previous video we bought this car for 20,000 and also one more video exterior also modified. So we know that one this is the condition we bought the car. So water leaking and step by step engine issues and all those things step by step I am trying to solve all the issues. So now after 10 days the car interior completely I made as a drive. So this is the condition. Now I plan for floor mat. So the floor mat is entirely different which I am trying here. So without removing the car seat, how to paste the floor mat. This is the technique we are following. Why I am doing this video? Main reason, many of the persons interested to do floor mat but they don't know how to remove car seat and also they don't have proper tools. That's why I am doing this video mainly for them. And also in long back I done one video. These mats are very cheap. Even online also we are getting 200-300 rupees. We are getting around 300 square feet we are getting. So if you buy it one mat means so you can do it. So here what I have done means, so you can see here I have cut into 4 parts. So front side 2 parts and back side 2 parts, and I'm using Fevikwik gum. So you can see that one. I'm using Fevikwik gum. So you can see here you need to be add step by step like this one to the floor. But floor should be very clean. So don't forget that one. Floor should be very clean. So this is the way. And friends, be careful at braking system and clutch. So that moment you need to be observed very carefully, and also you need to be add proper mat and you need to be cut in that position. So step by step you need to do it. So this is the way you guys need to do it. Friends, here clearly I am telling these car floor mats are very cheap. Some people are spending 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 rupees also. They're telling, but the car showroom guys will tell that one first quality, second quality, third quality. But these are completely fake. If you ask for third quality means same mat they will do it. First quality means same mat will do it. He told first quality means 2,500 rupees, second quality means 1,800 rupees, and third quality means 1,200 rupees. So finally I surprised with that one. For 1,200 rupees he given first quality. So after that one I understood that one there is no first quality, second quality and third quality. Because when you go to car showroom they will tell this kind of tricks and they will play with you. So obviously we will select first quality or second quality, but the original cost is around 300 and 400 rupees only. But 1,200 rupees by manpower and all those things, 1,200 rupees they will sell it. It's okay. But the funny thing is first quality only they provided me, because when I asked that one 2,000 rupees mat, he shown same mat to me. So this is the funny thing. So you can see here the same mat, black color mat is there, colors only will change. So when you ask for 1,200 rupees means he will show the black color. But if someone asks for black color means what he will do? So this is funny thing. So don't trap in that one. So the thickness of the material you need to be understand. So the thickness and quality you need to be understand. When you folding, if any scratches are there or any lineups coming, that moment you need to be understand the quality of the product here. So this is the way here. Without removing the seat, I am adding floor mats. So this is the way I am doing here. So if you want you can do it, friends. So more or less again you will do noodles mat. So that is the reason joints is not going to be appear outside. Either noodle mats or floor mat, something you will do it again. So you simply won't drive like that one. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and forward to your friends. Thank you all. This is the video. Thank you all. Thank you all. Bye.